let's go. 5 days no run. So it's week 7, day 2 ng ating Baguio Marathon training. So for tonight's run, takbo tayo MAF 181R. Medyo naparami kain natin yung mga holidays, kaya bawi tayo kasi 63 days na lang Baguio Marathon na. 1K first run of the year pala to. Let's go! 3K 4K 5K 6K. Oh, ayan. Pause for the race. Oh, mabait ka, mabait si Kat. Bye-bye. Small act of kindness creates an endless ripple. One stray, one story, one feed at a time. Ating Baguio Marathon training, nakapag 8.76 km tayo. Ayan, nakapag pause for the race na rin.